Stubborn acne that won't go away with anything. Welcome back to Beauty Unboxing. Today we're reviewing PanOxyl 10% Benzoyl Peroxide Acne Foaming Wash. This is a maximum strength acne face and body cleanser. Does it really clear stubborn breakouts? Let's find out. PanOxyl contains 10% benzoyl peroxide that's the highest strength you can get without a prescription. It's designed to kill acne-causing bacteria, unclog pores, and prevent new pimples. You can use it on your face and body, back acne, chest acne, anywhere. It's a foaming wash. A little bit goes a long way. You wet your skin, massage it in for about 30 to 60 seconds, then rinse. It doesn't have a strong scent, and it lathers nicely. Important warning: benzoyl peroxide can bleach your towels, clothes, and even hair. So rinse thoroughly and use white towels. Also, it makes your skin sensitive to the sun. Always use sunscreen in the morning if you use this wash. Start with once a day, not twice. Your skin needs time to adjust. For active acne, you'll see improvement in 3 to 7 days. It dries out pimples fast and prevents new ones from forming. But it can be very drying. If you have dry or sensitive skin, this might be too strong. Oily and acne-prone skin, this works great. Kills acne bacteria fast. Works on face and body. Maximum strength without prescription. Affordable for the size. Prevents future breakouts. Very drying, need moisturizer. Can bleach fabrics, not for sensitive skin. Burning or peeling possible in the beginning. Overall, I'd give PanOxyl 10% 8.5 out of 10. It's one of the best drugstore acne washes if your skin can handle it. For stubborn, hormonal, or body acne, yes, worth it. But if you have dry or sensitive skin, try the 4% version first. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next video. Bye.